my name is Alyssa Tolmans, and I'm the team leader for the BGSU Votes team. So what we're doing right now, and what we do in every election, is we basically just work to make sure that students are getting out to vote and making their voice heard. So whether that means, getting students registered to vote, making sure they've requested their absentee ballots, and more importantly, have a plan for election day. That's really like the entire focus of what we do on campus. So right now what I've been working on is I've been phone banking with some of the people on our team to call students on campus, make sure that they have a plan to get out and vote this fall. So yeah, the entire essence of what we do on campus is really just kind of get out the vote, make sure students are informed, regardless of who they're going to be voting for, and just make sure that they know what is happening in regards to this election and how to get involved and make sure that their voice is heard. So for election day, we will have people at the on-campus polling location to just kind of direct students that live on campus and are voting there and make sure they have all the information they need, as well as just to be around on campus to answer any questions about students who are planning to vote on election day. And then in the evening, we've partnered with UAO on campus, the University Events Organization, to plan an election night watch party that we're very excited about. So there will be, election coverage going on in the ballroom from 8 to 10. Students can drop in. We will have crafts there for them to work on. There'll be snacks. We're planning to have election-related trivia. Students who answer the most questions correctly will have the opportunity to win a prize from UAO and BGSU Votes. And it's just all in all, we're trying to make it more of a celebratory atmosphere